What's going on, guys? Kyle Bratch up in Nelson-Rigg, and a special delivery just arrived from EBC Brakes. As you know, we have our 2022 Harley Davidson Lowrider S here, and while that motor is fantastic, the brakes could use a little bit of an upgrade. So we reached out to EBC. Back here on the rear, we have a brand new rotor. This is going to be a high performance rotor, and then we're going to be putting some sintered pads. These are double HH sintered pads. That's going to give us ultimate stopping power back here in the rear. And then up here in the front, we have a pair of rotors. Of course, we have a left and right side. These are beautiful as well in a nice 5-spoke pattern. And we're going to upgrade those with some more double H sintered pads as well. So this is going to significantly increase the stopping power of our Lowrider S. So tomorrow morning, we're going to jump on this puppy and ride over to Fast J's, and Fast J is going to show you just how easy it is to get EBC brakes onto your motorcycle. Stay tuned. Today we got these stock rotors and pads coming off this puppy. We got the EBC high performance rotors and pads going on. We are rolling out of Fast J's with a brand new set of EBC rotors and pads. We just got our EBC brakes professionally installed by Tracy, one of their lead techs. If you're looking for great brakes, EBC is definitely the way to go. Big thanks to Tracy for doing the work today.
Got it, buddy.
Now let's get into the shop here and talk to Jason, the shop owner, the owner of Fast J's Custom Cycles over here. All right, so we got Jay working on his motorcycle over here. Now, Jay, what are you prepping this bike here for right now?
Well, hopefully we make it to Speedway over in Costa Mesa, the Orange County Fairgrounds. So it's Harley Night Finals that we are interested in.
Nice. Well, thanks for letting us come down and get that EBC brake job done today. Really appreciate that. Super awesome. Like Tracy did an amazing job. Yeah. So tell us about your shop and kind of the services you do here, and why should people come to Fast J's?
Well, we've been around since, for about 10 years, just service oriented, dealership mechanics type of thing, where we just kind of branched off on our own, or I did rather, and brought some of my guys with me or whatever, and really just dedicated to getting everybody's bikes in order so they can have a good time, and our MO is a little bit of that. If we can't be riding, we want someone on a bike somewhere happy, so dedicated to, customer satisfaction, from services, regular service interval type things, to tire change, to motor builds, and, that's the fun stuff, custom stuff. The good work is what we want, of course, but we have diagnostic stuff to deal with. Everything that goes into making sure everybody's bike's in working order for them, throughout the year and years.
There you go. Awesome. Well, thank you, Jason. I really appreciate you having us down here. Tracy, thanks for doing a good job, man. Appreciate it. And this is it. Fast J's Cycles here in Orange County, California, Huntington Beach specifically. Kyle Bradshaw, thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, take care and ride safe out there.